Hello, I'm Shirley Malka from L'chaim Kids and Empowered Jewish Parenting. Many of my clients come to see me because they identify their own patterns of unresolved childhood experiences that they're bringing with them into their parenting. So, for example, a person can feel that as a child she felt rejected by her parents, and this can develop into a real fear that her own children will reject her. Or let's say there was an older sibling who bullied her, and that comes across and is still existing in adulthood, where the sibling perhaps tells her how she's messing up her kids. And of course, my client will believe that because that's the dynamic. If you want to find out more about how your childhood unresolved issues are impacting your parenting and what to do about them, please click the link below.